In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert add to calendar link in Gmail. If you want to make it easier for someone to save an event directly from your email, adding a calendar link is a simple and professional way to do it. This is especially useful when you're sending meeting details, webinar invitations, or appointment confirmations, and you want recipients to have quick access to the event. To get started, open Google Calendar on your computer. Once you're in your calendar, find the event you've already scheduled and click on it. This will open the event pop-up, where you can view the main details of that event. From that pop-up, click the three-dot options menu. In the menu that appears, choose Publish Event. In some versions or newer sharing options, you may instead see something like Invite via link. The goal here is to generate a shareable event link that other people can open. Once the link is created, copy the event URL so it's ready to use in your email. Now switch over to Gmail and start composing your message. You can either open a new email or reply to an existing one, depending on your situation. In the body of the email, type the text you want people to click. A clear phrase like add to Google Calendar works well because it tells the reader exactly what the link does. After typing that text, highlight it with your cursor, then look at the bottom of the email compose box and click the insert link icon, which looks like a small chain link. This opens the link dialog box where you can assign a web address to the text you selected. Paste the calendar URL you copied from Google Calendar into the address field. Then click OK to apply the link. At that point, the text in your email becomes clickable, and anyone who receives the message can use it to open the event link more quickly. Before sending, it's a good idea to quickly review the email and make sure the linked text is correct and easy to understand. If you want your message to feel more polished, keep the wording short and direct so the call to action stands out clearly in the email. And that's it. You've successfully inserted an add to calendar link in Gmail using a Google Calendar event URL. It's a fast way to improve your emails and make scheduling more convenient for the people receiving them.